Welcome to a Tech 5 update. Our first update comes to us thanks to Chris Smith, who is the tech coach at St. John the 23rd. The OneDrive app for iOS has an awesome new feature that Chris shared with us recently, and that is for PDF documents that are in your OneDrive app. Note in the upper right-hand corner the annotation tool. This brings up a whole set of awesome features. The top one is a text highlighting tool. There is a typewriter tool to type different messages. There's a commenting feature where you can add different notes. This works with your microphone as well. Thank you for the great work! Exclamation mark. So these things work great. There are highlighters, pens, arrow keys, and the great part is the moment you are finished working with it, it saves it. And check out the bottom of my screen. It's uploading, and if I have that online, I'm just going to slide this out of the way, and then I refresh it. Those changes are reflected in my OneDrive online. So it is a great new tool for annotating PDFs that sticks. Those annotations can be reversed in the app as well, so they are totally editable. A great solution. Thank you, Chris Smith. Speaking of Office 2016, the Immersive Reader in Word Online and OneNote Online is really awesome. We've got a great read and write toolbar for students, but the more tools the better, and I want to show you some of the awesome features in here. So in this example, I've opened up a document in Microsoft Teams. It can be in Word Online, it doesn't matter. I'm going to just edit in Teams. Now check out what happens. So I've got available to me all my regular tools, including read and write, which is great, but there are also in the view menu an awesome immersive reader. So check this out. This is phenomenal. I've got a reader that I can hit the play button.
Plants. Most plants grow in the ground with
Okay, so an immersive reader that will read right through my web browser. So if it's a Chromebook, if it's a laptop, if it's a desktop PC, it doesn't matter. Text size changes, you say? No problem. Different font and background color? No problem. Different spacing available. Hey, would you like to highlight syllables to be able to break up long words? Microsoft's done a lot of good research around this and on reading. You can also highlight different parts of speech. So some great features that are available in this immersive reader. You want a line focus? Okay, awesome. You can have 3 lines, 5 lines. So
stems above the atmosphere and roots below.
So it's a great tool that's available to our students. It's right there through our web browser. So the immersive reader. Our next highlight, a lot of teachers ask, hey, can we purchase Adobe software for home use? And the answer is yes. I've got a page linked here to the education-alberta.onthehub.com. You first need to register, and register with the district email. Has to be your ECSD. You'll get a response email, which you'll need to click on to verify. Once you're signed in with your district email and password, you're going to be able to buy the entire Adobe Creative Cloud or the Elements software, and it's under $10 per year. So it's awesome. Get that link, register an account, and sign in to purchase that with your district account. There are some great features in Smart Notebook. For example, Smart Lab. These lab activities, there are some phenomenal lab activities available, and the one I'd like to focus on is called Super Sort. So in this Super Sort activity, I can have, I've given the categories of living and non-living, and I've given a whole bunch of things, and I can simply drag, and there are sounds associated if I... All right, so you can hear that. I can also do things like having buzzers. So if I want to make buzzers for my students. I want to have 4 groups of students. Let's say I have 4 rows or 4 tables. I can have 4 buzzers, so my students can come up to my smartboard and be buzzing in after they select. Some great tools available to our students. In terms of upcoming PD, we've got November the 20th. John Crass will be leading Smart Notebook 17, where you can learn about this and other features in Smart Notebook 17. As well as that afternoon, Christine McKee will be leading a Microsoft Teams for staff collaboration. This has been another Tech 5 update. For all our linked slides, visit bit.ly/Tech5ECSD. Thank you very much.